I, Professor Shashank, welcome all the participants for the talk on very good afternoon to all. I, Professor Shashank, welcome all the participants for the talk on a lecture on innovation, which is organized by Shrinivas Institute of Technology, Institute of Innovation Council, under the Impact Lecture Series 2022-23. Now I request Dr. Shrinivasa Mayya D, President, IIC, Coordinator, Impact Lecture Series, Principal, Srinivas Institute of Technology, to enlighten us on the Impact Lecture Series 2022-23.
Good afternoon to all of you, and we are happy to tell you all that we are doing this new impact series, talk on impact series. Yeah, from this year onwards. On that, the first talk we are already conducted on entrepreneurship. The second talk will be based upon the innovations. And we found the resource persons are our alumni. They, with their visions, they are becoming an entrepreneurs, and with the latest innovation technologies, they could be able to become a successful entrepreneurs. With their basic ideas and how they become an entrepreneur with their new innovations, we are asked them to conduct the seminar or talk on that, so that our young generations, that is our students, will get benefited and they get motivated to become an entrepreneurs. In these aspects, we have started this talk. So this is the second talk we are arranged under the Impact series, and surely this talk also going to be useful to all the students. Surely our alumni had came here on the online, and he is going to enlighten us with his ideas. And I request all the participants to actually involve yourself and get the ideas, and the other day you can become as a good innovators, and later on you can turn into a good entrepreneurs. With this, I wish all the participants have a great day with a great talk. So I may come back at the end once again, and I will talk or share the ideas shared by the resource, our alumni, our resource person. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I